What if I told you that the reason you're afraid of stairs isn't your age? It's not arthritis. It's not just getting old. It's something silent, something happening inside your legs right now, even as you sit here watching this, and if you ignore it, it will only get worse. Doctors have a name for it. Most people have never heard of it, and by the time they feel it, it's already stealing their independence. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because I'm going to show you exactly what this hidden thief is, how it's been quietly draining the strength from your thighs, hips, and knees, and 3 simple exercises that can reverse it, starting today. Stick around until the end, because I'm also going to reveal one small positioning trick that has helped my patients climb stairs completely pain-free, even after major leg surgery. Miss it, and you'll be missing the piece that ties everything together. Let's begin. The hidden enemy. The culprit has a name: sarcopenia. It sounds clinical, almost harmless. It is not. Sarcopenia is the slow, silent loss of muscle mass that begins in your 30s and accelerates dramatically after 50. It doesn't announce itself. It doesn't hurt at first. It just quietly withdraws strength from the exact muscles you rely on most: your quads, your glutes, your hips, your knees, the very engines that lift your body up a single step. And here's the part that should really grab your attention. This isn't a rare condition affecting a few unlucky people. It is happening to nearly everyone, right now, whether you feel it yet or not. But, and this is critical, it is not a life sentence. Science has found a way to fight back. It's called progressive strength training, or PST. Picture an old bicycle that's been left in a garage for years. The chain is rusted. The tires are flat. The pedals stick. Useless, right? But oil the chain, pump the tires, adjust the pedals, and suddenly that same bike rides like new. That is exactly what PST does for aging muscle. I have personally watched patients in their 60s walk into my clinic struggling with stairs, and months later, climb them like they're back in their 40s. It's not magic, it's mechanics, and it starts with 3 exercises. Exercise 1, the engine builder. The first exercise targets the 2 largest, most powerful muscle groups your body uses to climb: your quads and your glutes. These are the muscles that drive you up and control you down. And remarkably, one single movement trains both at once. Here's how to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet shoulder-width apart. Scoot forward until you're at the edge of the seat, then slide your feet back slightly, positioning them just behind your knees. Now you have 2 options. If your balance is strong, extend your arms out in front of you for counterbalance. If you need extra security, keep a hand on the armrest or the seat. From here, rise to standing by driving through your quads and glutes together. Push up with a touch of speed and power. Once you're upright, reach back for the chair and lower yourself down, slowly, deliberately, resisting gravity the entire way. This is called the slow sit to stand, and the secret is in the tempo. Rise with purpose, descend with control. That slow, resisted lowering phase is where real strength is built. Do 10 repetitions, 2 to 3 times a day. And here is the mistake almost everyone makes: using momentum, rocking forward, throwing your body weight into it, using speed to cheat the movement. That's not training, that's avoiding the work entirely. Go slow. Go mindful. That's where the transformation happens. Exercise 2, the stability guardian. Now that we've built the front and back power of your legs, there's still one muscle standing between you and true stair confidence. A muscle most people have never even heard of: the gluteus medius. This muscle sits on the side of your hip, and its job is deceptively simple yet critical. It keeps your pelvis level and your body upright with every single step. Weakness here isn't just inconvenient. It's often the hidden reason behind falls. For this exercise, you'll need a small step, roughly 4 inches high. A stair stepper works, or the bottom step of your own staircase. Start low. A standard stair is closer to 8 inches, so build your foundation first. Plant one foot firmly on the step. Push through that leg, bringing your other foot up to meet it. Step back down to the side, then step back up again. Keep the working foot planted near the center of the step, not the edge, where a slip becomes a fall. Aim for 10 to 20 repetitions per side, using support if you need it. As your strength and balance improve, gradually reduce that support to challenge your body further. Once 20 reps per side feels manageable, raise the step height and repeat the process. The most common error: leaning to one side and losing balance. If that's you right now, that's not failure. That's exactly why this muscle needs training. Exercise 3, the descent defender. Going up is only half the battle. Coming down safely is where knees and hips often suffer the most, and where injuries are most likely to happen. This final exercise comes from a landmark 2022 study that revealed something extraordinary about reversing age-related muscle loss in adults over 65. It's deceptively simple. It's called the step down. Stand with both feet on a step, facing downward, using a handrail if you'd like. Slowly lower one foot to the ground, then reverse the motion, drawing that foot back up to the step. Standing tall, shift your weight forward, step down with control, and rise back up. 10 to 20 repetitions per leg. Now here's what makes this exercise so powerful, and what the 2022 research uncovered. Add resistance. A 10 to 15-pound dumbbell, or a weighted vest, transforms this ordinary movement into something scientifically extraordinary. It activates what's known as eccentric strengthening, where your muscle lengthens while still under tension. This is, according to exercise science, one of the fastest ways to rebuild lost muscle mass. As you perform this, stay locked in on your glutes, quads, and side hip muscles, and guard your knees. Never let them collapse inward. Keep your knee tracking directly over your foot, even toward your pinky toe, to protect the joint from strain. 10 to 20 reps, each side. This exercise mirrors real stair climbing almost perfectly, which is exactly why it works so fast. The final secret. Now, the trick I promised you. I've watched patients, especially after leg or back surgery, struggle needlessly on stairs because of two habits that feel natural but are quietly working against them: pulling themselves up using the railing, and pushing their body weight straight upward. Both mistakes share the same flaw: your body weight ends up behind the step you're trying to climb. That forces your muscles to work far harder than necessary, and it dramatically raises your risk of losing balance and falling. Here's the fix. As you step up, lean slightly forward from your hips. This shifts your body weight over your toes and directly over the step. Your body naturally tips forward, gravity becomes your ally instead of your enemy, and the climb suddenly feels lighter, safer, almost effortless. Try it on your very next flight of stairs. You will feel the difference immediately. Close. Sarcopenia may be silent, but it is not unstoppable. 3 exercises, a few minutes a day, and one simple shift in how you lean into every step. That's all it takes to take your stairs back. If this helped you, share it with someone who's been avoiding stairs out of fear. They deserve to know this too. And if you want more ways to move stronger, walk safer, and stay independent as you age, make sure you're subscribed, because there's much more coming. Stay strong, keep moving, and take care of yourself.